Today we're exploring Panama, from the tropical beaches all the way to the modern day city. To get to Panama, we had to walk down this super long border from Costa Rica, straight border hopping. Then we had to get on a boat to make our way to the island province of Bocas Del Toro. On the way, we saw these local huts, which literally looks like something out of a movie. Seeing people live such different life experiences is always so interesting to me, and one of the main reasons why I like visiting these obscure places. We booked at the last minute, so we had to stay in this absolutely disgusting hostel for our first night in a 12-person dorm. One of the grossest places I've ever been, but you know, we survived. So it's Black Friday right now, and all we wanted was a drink after a long day.
Friday. Black Friday is a shopping day. I would know that holiday.
It's Good Friday right now, and all we wanted was a drink, but there's no alcohol sales allowed. But we found this little Chinese market to sell us a bottle of wine. After the bottle of wine, we walked around in the streets, saw some interesting characters, then got some dinner, and called it a night. Started off the next day with a delicious breakfast.
Oh my god, why would you do that?
Yummy. And now we're gonna go explore for the day and see what there is to do. Bocas del Toro is an interesting place because it's pretty run down, but it's not like the slums. It's a big tourist destination, so these people were having a Sunday fun day. You're also right on the beach, so that's nice. Overall, I'd say this is a pretty cool place to go visit for a few days. Just make sure you bring your sunglasses. Little did we know the best part of the day was about to happen because we stumbled upon this sick e-bike place, so we took them for a spin. We saw this pretty picturesque beach and had to stop because did you even go somewhere if you didn't get some fire Instagram pics? Zoomed out of there, and then we came across this awesome restaurant on the beach, chilled out for a bit, had some food and drinks. It was a great time.
Happy Saturday!
Then we headed back because it was time to check into our super sweet villa, and we were so excited to stay somewhere nice after kind of slumming it for the past few days. This was definitely one of the sweetest rooms I've ever stayed in. And we ended the night with a little street party. Today we went on a boat tour in search of some sea creatures. After that, we decided to hop in and get a closer look. Unfortunately, we couldn't find any dolphins. This is not the best snorkeling spot. Tonight, we're gonna take advantage of the bar cart in our room and enjoy the sick views off these balconies. We were staying in pretty disgusting rooms in all of Costa Rica because of how expensive it was. If you haven't seen that video, it was my most recent one, so go check that out. But super happy to finally be in a nice, clean, big space. All right, well that was an epic fail. The entire thing just exploded. So I guess it's beers for tonight. The next day was our last one in town, so we had to take advantage of this very Instagram-worthy spot.
What's up, YouTube? Brayden Heen here. Literally though, this is the life.
Oh my god, there's fish down there.
Yeah.
I'm scared.
I hope you get eaten by a shark.
1,
2,
3, go.
Go. I think Brandon's mad at me because he is jumping and I didn't jump. I promise I'll jump, but I just got scared. Are you mad at me?
Yeah.
Oops.
How do you feel about this jump?
Kind of scared, but I'm ready. I'm honestly mostly scared of sharks because apparently there's bull sharks and hammerhead sharks here. And alligators. I'm scared.
This place was sweet. It was so nice to relax at a nice beach town and just chill for a few days. But now we're headed to Panama City, which is allegedly the nicest city in all of Central America. So I'm excited to see it. The bus we're taking is actually 12 hours long from 5 p.m. to 5 a.m. So that's our bed for the night. Let's see how it goes. Well, this is vehicle number 1, so that's pretty sweet. Vehicle number 2.
On our way to Panama City.
And we're on our final stop, about to be on this thing all night. So right now we're in the old city, which is surprisingly super run down. One of the slummiest places I've seen in all of Central America. And it also smells awful. So I'm excited to see how this compares to the more modern place across the river. We started walking in the other direction, and now there's like a super nice town, a lot cleaner, not as sketchy, like an old colonial type city. So I'm gonna check this place out. Now we're in the Uber to go check out the new part of the city. This is literally the only part of Central America I've seen that has modern day skyscrapers, so I'm excited to see what it's all about.
This restaurant is actually the tallest rooftop in all of Central America.
Going on up! Today we've got a tour planned to see a bunch of cool little animals. We're at the resort where the tour starts now, just hanging out, trying to find some coffee until it's time to go. Found it.
Look at it.
Oh my God.
I think it's a male.
All right, I think we're finally about to see the animal we came to Central America for. We wanted to hold one in Costa Rica, but we couldn't, so let's see if we can here. We found the sloths.
Okay, so I just got bird poop on my arm. There's a little bit left. This is Brandon's child. Sleepy.
I love him.
Proud dad.
And on today's episode of Things I'm Not Nearly Fancy Enough For,
On my last few hours in town, I visited the Panama Canal, which is what made Panama the richest city in Central America. Can't lie, it's honestly not that cool, but might as well visit if you have some extra time.
and just like that, I'm in the Panama City airport and the Latin America tour is over for the winter. as you saw, Panama City is pretty cool. Definitely nicer than most places down here and worth a visit whether you want to go to the beach or to the city if you're in the area. So next time you see me, I'm gonna be on a different continent. So other than that, I'm about to hop on my plane and go home. See you next time.